In this video, you will see how to change table border thickness in Word document. As you can see, I have increased the border thickness in Word document of the table. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, go up to the insert option and you will see the option table. Click on the drop down and insert the table. By default, this table has thin borders. First, select the table by clicking on this small square icon. The table will be highlighted by the blue color. Right click on the square icon and click on table properties. You will see the option borders and shadings. Under borders and shadings, make sure to click on borders and under the settings, click on all. You will see the option width here. Width is nothing but the thickness of the line. If you click on the drop down, you will see different thickness of the lines or border. Select the appropriate thickness. You will see the preview here and make sure you have selected here table under apply to. Click OK, again OK to change the border thickness in Word document. There is one shortcut as well. Select the table. Under the table design tab here, you will see the option width of line. Select appropriate width from here. And under the borders, click on drop down and select all borders. Now check out this video that will show you how to make table borders invisible in Word document. See you again in the next video.